Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how computer actually understands Java programming language. So computer understands binary language. Binary language is made up of two bits. One is 0, another one is 1. So let's say you have a system. This system can be a desktop, it can be a laptop, or it can be a mobile phone. Now it needs some kind of power. So the power can be in positive volts, in negative volts. Now, when this power goes up, let's say right now it goes up and this bit becomes 1. When it goes down, it becomes 0. When it goes up again, it becomes 1. And when it dips down again, it becomes 0. If it goes up again, it becomes 1. And that's how computer understands. When the power goes up, computer thinks the bit is 1. And if the power goes down, it thinks the bit is 0. So let's say if we are trying to type capital letter A, then computer understands it as 1000001 and the decimal value of capital A is 65. So we can convert 65 into its binary equivalent. So we can say 65 divided by 2, then we will get 1 as remainder and we will get the outcome as 32. If we divide 32 by 2 again, we will get the outcome as 16 and the remainder will be 0. If we divide it by 2 again, we will get 8 as the outcome and the remainder will be 0. We can divide it by 2 again, the outcome will be 4 and the result will be 0. If we divide it by 2 again, we will get the outcome as 2 and the remainder will be 0. If we divide it by 2 again, we will get the outcome as 1 and the result will be 0. And we will read this binary from bottom to top. So we will read it in this way. And you can see the sequence is 1000001. So that's how we can convert decimal letter into its binary equivalent. So now how computer will understand it is letter A, the decimal value is 65, the binary value is 1000001 and you have a power. This can be plus 5 volt or it can be a negative power, and now we can graph it. So if the power goes up, then it becomes 1. If the power goes down, then it becomes 0. It goes down again, 0. It goes down again, 0. It goes down again. This becomes 0. It goes down again and this becomes 0. And if it goes up, then this becomes 1. And this is how we can type letter A, and this is how computer actually understands letter A. So what is the purpose of this byte and bits in Java? So in Java, there are different data types. Data types are something in which we can store some values. So let's say if you have a capital letter A, if you have a number 5, then we can store those in data types. Data type needs to have some size to store the value. So as we learned earlier, a bit, it can either be 0 or it can be 1, and a byte is made up of 8 bits, and all the data types in Java are in byte. So it can either be 1 byte, 2 byte, 4, 8. So let's say if we are trying to type letter @ symbol, then this is how computer will understand it: 01000000. And if we are trying to type letter capital A, then this is how computer will understand it: 01000001. So we can find the decimal value of any character. So we can go for a Unicode table. Here we can click on the first URL itself, Unicode-table, and if we scroll down, we can click on letter. So if we click on letter A, you can see the decimal value is 65. If we click on letter D, you can see the decimal value is 68. And same you can go through for other letters as well. So if we try to find the value of a small a, you can see the decimal value is 97.